Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2025 Ford Ranger PHEV Stormtrak. The 2025 Ford Ranger plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is here, setting a new standard in the mid-size pickup truck segment. With cutting-edge technology, enhanced performance, and a commitment to sustainability, the Ranger PHEV is designed for drivers who demand versatility and eco-conscious innovation. Ford has seamlessly combined the power of its 2.3-liter EcoBoost petrol engine with an electric motor and battery system. The result? A combined output of 205 kilowatts and a staggering 690 newton-meters of torque. With an electric-only range exceeding 45 kilometers, this truck is perfectly suited for both city commutes and weekend adventures off the beaten path. The Stormtrak edition of the Ranger PHEV features distinctive design elements that enhance its rugged appeal. It boasts a unique grille design, black accents, and exclusive badging. LED lighting and aerodynamic enhancements contribute to both aesthetics and efficiency. Inside, the Ranger PHEV Stormtrak offers a blend of comfort and technology. Premium materials adorn the cabin, complemented by Stormtrak-specific trims. The vehicle is equipped with Ford's latest infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display with connectivity options such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ample passenger space and versatile storage solutions make it practical for various needs. The combination of the 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine and electric motor not only provides impressive power but also enhances fuel efficiency. The substantial torque output surpasses that of the V6 diesel variant, ensuring strong towing capabilities and confident off-road performance. Production of the 2025 Ford Ranger PHEV is scheduled to commence in late 2024, with market availability expected in early 2025. While official pricing has not been announced, estimates suggest a starting price around $35,000, though this may vary based on market and trim levels. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.